Okay, fine. So let them join. You are there. So can anyone summarize me what has happened in yesterday's class? Can anyone summarize me what has happened in the yesterday's class? No one?
We solved the problems on K-map, sir.
Okay, good. So we got a normal problem to K-map difference, right?
Yes, sir. 3
Yeah.
variables and 4 variables.
So we went through with 3 variables and 4 variable representation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then we solved a few problems on both, and we solved problems only on your SOP format. Correct now? So POS we have to start. So before going for that, let me summarize the things. So few have done the problems yesterday. Okay. So let me give one simple example. So if it is a 3 cross 3, I told how many boxes required?
16 boxes.
8 boxes. Okay. So you required 8 boxes. So I told input, if it is 8 boxes means it's understood it's a 3 variable. So function may be anything x, y, z, p, q, r, a, b, c, whatever they are given, that you can dump in. So a, b, c. Okay. So we know the complements if it is 1 input 2 power n. So 2 power n is equals to 1 means I'm going to get 2 combinations 0 and 1. Okay. So similarly EC, 2 inputs are there, 2 power n will become 2 square. So 4 inputs I can designate with 0, 0, 0, 1, and I told clearly you're not supposed to write things in order in K-map. 0, 1, 2 comes here, then followed by 3. Then we mark the cells also, correct? So you mark the cells 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So assume that so there are things filled like this. There are things filled like this, right? So since I am dealing with respect to my SOP, nothing but the min term. So we know logical one, the strong logical one is approved for your min term, correct now? So what is the thing I told? Whenever you deal with any K-map, whether 3 variable, 4 variable, you have 3 major categories. One is pairing, 2 at a time, grouping the things, and quad, 4 at a time. Then last is octa, 8 at a time. Correct now? So from this example, can you tell me we can proceed with what? We can do pairing, quad, or octa. Pairing, right?
Pairing.
So we can say cell 0 and 1 is one pair. Cell 0 and 1 is one pair. Okay. Similarly, 7, 6, one pair. So do you think this cell number 2 you want to take separately? We can do grouping here also. I can combine this 2 with 6. Agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts anyone till here? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you got this, next thing is what? How to write a equation. Okay. See, our agenda is what? Using your normal Boolean expression, they'll be giving a complex equation for you. So if you take that much complex as it is to implement any logical diagram, then what happens? The area will increase. So if area increase means, I told you example, right? So complexity becomes more. So there is no other space left out to do some other applications, right? So for that purpose, we need to minimize as much as possible. That is what we are doing here. Okay. So now how to write an equation I told you. So what you should do, just check out the common term. That's it, right? So if you look at this pairing, so in this, what is there? 0. So 0 belongs to A bar. So you can write A bar straight away. Is it fine? So this pairing I am talking, this pairing. So here you have 0. Okay. Then look at here, you have 0, 0 and 0, 1. So among 0, 0, 0, 1, which is common? 0 is
B
common.
bar.
0 is common, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you just need to pick the common terms. That's all your task. So I can write this 0, 0 as B bar C bar. So here B bar C. So we know C bar, we can treat as 1 in this, and left out is B bar. So that's why we write it as B bar. So A bar, B bar is what the thing we can expect from this. Okay. Plus. Similarly, can tell here. So this pairing, what is 1 represents now?
A.
A. So what about this 2 now? Which is common
B.
term? 1 is common term.
One.
So it means this is BC,
B.
BC bar. So what is a common term now?
B.
B.
B. Agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can write AB
AB.
plus. What about this? See, if I take this individually, the equation will be like what? A bar, B, C bar. So you'll get 3 elements there. So it is nothing but number of gates or more. Instead of that, if I do pairing of this also, if this possibilities was not there, no option, go with that. No problem. But this problem option is there to pair, right? So after pairing these two, vertically, it becomes A bar, nothing but 1. No need to worry about that. So what is left out now?
B bar.
B.
B. C bar.
B, C bar. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Soundarya, is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So any doubts anyone with this? So we'll go with the next complexity level of this K-map. So before that, if anybody have doubt with this, you can ask. See, it's very, very important question. I told you, first module, your SOP, POS, Boolean expression. Then along with this K-map, you can take 20 marks. Then again, next K-map with don't care condition. Along with there is a concept called Quinn-McCluskey. So we told in the syllabus wise, right? QN. So while Quinn-McCluskey, so there is a 10 to 12 marks question. So you can easily score 20 marks. So totally you're getting 40 marks in this module. So you can answer only 20. Okay. So be alert. If you have any doubts anywhere, you just interrupt there, unmute yourself, talk to me. So is it fine till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go for next problem now. So I will give the question. So let me see how much you have understood. Read on the question now. Read on the question. Reduce the following function. Reduce the following function into its minterm of products form. Into its minterm of product form. So the given the question for you. Question is y equals, read on, y equals A bar, B bar, C bar, D. I'll write here. Put on the question first. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So it clearly tells us this is an example for 4 variables. So your mind should tell I should have a 4 cross 4 table.
16.
Means which is having 16 combinations.
16.
Okay. Plus A bar, B, C, D. Plus A bar, B, C, D. Okay. Plus A bar, B, C, D bar. Plus A bar, B, C, D bar. Plus AB plus AB, C bar D. Plus AB, C bar D. Continue. Plus ABCD. Plus ABCD. Plus A B bar CD. Plus ABCD. Sorry, ABCD plus A B bar CD. See, this is a 10 marks question. So 10 marks you can fetch from this. It's just a simple concept once you understood clearly. So now this much bigger expression is what they are given for you. Okay. So now what you are supposed to do? You're supposed to reduce this expression such a way that I can build a logical circuit with less number of gates. That is what the agenda. Okay. So once you knew this, you got to know the idea. It is a 4 variable example of K-map, and they was clearly minterm. So minterm nothing but your SOP form, right? So you need to pair with number of ones. Okay. So make a table now. Make a table, everyone. I want you to solve this. Make a table. So let me make a table for you. So you have 16 boxes here. So you should have 4 rows and 4 columns. So make that 4 rows, 4 columns. Okay. So how many inputs? You have 4 inputs. So I can represent AB in one side and CD one side. So you can have alignment of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. See, this is where the mistake you will do. So try to write the things clearly. Then similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So you can mark the number of cells naming also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I told after this don't write 8 here because this is 3. So you want here. So that's why you write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So if you write the things like this, you will get a clear picture how to make a or how to build a table. Any doubts? Anyone till here? So the screen is visible. What is writing on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now can you tell me, after building this table, what the next step we should do?
Marks with one.
You need to fill the table with the given question, right? So we need to reduce it. Before that, you just make sure you need to fill that with number of ones. That is minterm. So can you tell me where is A bar, B bar, C bar, D for me? I told you right clearly.
One, sir.
So wherever
Cell number
you have
1,
this,
Cell
for your
number
reference, you can write A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, then A, B bar. Okay. So similarly here, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, then C, D bar. So this is for your reference. So once you got to know how to solve this, directly you can fill this. Yeah. Tell me now.
Cell number
Where
1.
is
Cell number 1.
Cell number 1. Good. So I should fill with 1. Done. Next.
7, sir.
Cell number
Cell number
7.
7. So A bar, B, C, D is here. So give it as 1. Very good. Next.
6,
6. Cell number
6.
6.
So A bar, B, C bar, D is here. So cell number 6 is also equals to 1. Good. Next.
13.
13.
13.
A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is here. Is it 15? So one more is there, right?
A,
A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D.
C bar.
This is this.
13. 13.
Cell number 13 is also equal to 1. Next. A, B, C, D.
15.
15. Good. Next.
11.
11.
So 11 is here. Is it what? The things? Anything left out? Anyone?
No, sir.
Anywhere anything we left out here?
No, sir.
How much are given? 2, 4, 6 are given. Just one set. A bar, B bar, C, D. I think one term is missing. A, B bar, C, D bar. C, D bar, then A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Yeah, you add one more here. You add one more here. It's A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. You have one more term also. So is it visible if I write at the end?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So A, B, C bar, D bar, it is upon
12.
12.
A, B, C bar, D bar is here. Okay. So anywhere anything left out?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now can you tell me? Now can you tell me after giving the expression we have did a task that we are aligning things. So now tell me. So anywhere grouping with respect to pair or quad or octavill comes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Pairs, all are pairs only. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me mark that. So can I pair 6 and 7? 6 and 7 one pair. Then
Yes,
7 and
sir.
15.
12, 13 one pair. Then again
15, 11.
11, 50.
15 one
11.
pair. And 11, 15 one pair. What about this? This is individual.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is
Yes,
individual.
sir.
Right? So this is individual. So everyone got the logic how to pair things now? So you need to make sure as much as possible reduction. Any doubts anyone with this?
No, sir.
Can you tell me equations now? Can you tell me the equation? So you just do pairing first, then at the end we can eliminate by adding this. Okay. Yeah. After pairing 7 and 6, so you'll be having A bar B.
A bar
What
B,
about this two?
C.
What's the common term now?
C, sir.
C.
C.
Artha aidappa? So for this 7-6 cell pairing, so you have 0, 1, that is nothing but A bar B. That is the only thing left out here. But when it comes here, CD, C, D bar, C is common term. You just find the common term and write there. So we got A bar B, C. Any doubts anyone with this?
No, sir.
Good. Next. After that, next. So if you pair these two, if you pair
A, B,
12
C
and
bar.
13,
A,
so
B, C
AB
bar.
is fixed,
ABC bar.
AB is fixed. What is common now?
C bar.
C bar.
C bar.
Bar. So C bar is written. Next, this two.
ACD.
Again, AB is common. So what is then? D,
D. D.
D. Good. Next, this two. So from this,
CD.
what I can write?
CDA.
From this two, A is common.
Yes, sir.
A is common. Then
C.
CD.
So what is the last left out? This one plus
A bar, B bar, C bar, D.
A bar, B bar.
C bar,
C
D.
bar D.
So you just look at how the expression was at the beginning, how we have reduced. So you just check out anywhere can reduce further.
No, sir.
Anywhere can reduce further. That's all. Can we
That's all, sir.
simplify further? That's it, right? So this is how you need to solve. Any doubts? Anyone? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now assume that I'll just make a small change. Assume that there was one here. I will make one here. So assume that same question, they added one more term. This is your A bar B, C bar D. So then this is also one. Then how the grouping will comes?
One quad,
So
three
you
pair.
One quad of 4 pair.
Quad of this. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So this is your quad part. Then this is one pair.
One pair.
This is one more pair. This is one more pair. And this is one more pair.
Four.
Artha aita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone got till here.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is one type of problem what you can expect for 10 marks in this SOP form. Okay. So now let me go with the next type in the same term. So instead of giving a equation for you, so they will give a truth table. So from that truth table, they will mention which output is 10 to 12. Shall I proceed? Shall we proceed?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Is it audible?
Breaking. Breaking, sir.
Okay,
No, sir. Your voice breaking.
just check out now. One second. Yeah, now check out. I'm here. I'm now. Am I audible? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's okay.
I think network going, coming. Yeah. So let it go also one set. Yeah, I think now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I told, so after knowing such kind of problem, so there are one more type, that is instead of giving a Boolean expression and simplifying, they will give a truth table only. From that truth table, you need to build a equation, then same procedure. Okay. Wrote on that question now. Simplify. So before that, any doubts anyone with this? Okay. So simplify the logic function. Simplify the logic function specified by the following truth table. Specified by the following truth table. Following truth table using K-map method. Using K-map method, where y is the output, where y is the output and A, B, C are the inputs, where y is the output and A, B, C are the inputs. Can just check out if I write here, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So run. So it is a 3 input. So 3 input variable means how many combinations?
8 combinations.
8 combinations. So the truth table is given for you now. So truth table is given. Just write a truth table now. So let me fill the truth table. So is it visible completely? Is it fine? Truth table is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fill this. I will tell for what inputs they are given output as 1. So for 0 it is 1. I will change the color. For 0 it is 1. Then for 3 it is 1. 4 is also 1. And last 7. 7 is 1. So remaining all zeros. So I need to only worry about this 1, 1, 1. So that is where I can build my expression. So question you got, my everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is the next type of your problem where instead of giving a Boolean expression, they will give you a truth table. From that truth table, you are supposed to build a expression. Yeah. Tell me the expression now. This is main term, right? So y equals to, where is 1? 1 is here. So how can I write this?
A bar, B bar,
A bar,
C
B
bar.
bar,
A
C bar.
bar, B bar, C bar. Good. Next.
A bar, B, C.
A bar, B bar,
A bar,
bar,
B.
B,
B,
C.
C.
A bar, B, C.
Yeah. So A bar, B, C. Good.
B.
Next.
A, B
A,
bar,
B
C
bar,
bar.
C bar.
A, B bar, C bar.
C
Good.
bar.
Next, last
C
one.
bar.
A, B, C.
A, B, C.
B, C. See, till now what you have solved was, they used to give this, from this you used to solve. But instead of that, they make you a table like this, from this you need to build. See, same concept can be applied to your POS also. So that time, you need to represent this in which way? A plus B plus C into A plus B bar plus C bar. Understood? Because it is product of sum. So same question you can expect for both. They may ask you to get this in terms of your max term also. So for that purpose, I am telling here only, just have a comparative statement clear. So now can you proceed? Can you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fill the table. So fill the table. So 3 cross 3 means how many cells you should have?
8.
8 cells.
So make a table with 8 cells. Make a table with 8 cells. So AB, only AB is here. Then BC is here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So cell numbers for your reference 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now can you tell me where are the ones?
0, 3,
0, 3,
0 is done. Next.
3,
3,
Cell 3. Next.
4, 4,
4,
4. Next.
7.
7.
7. Good. So once we plotted this, what is the next task?
2 pair.
Pairing.
Pairs. How many pairs we have?
Grouping.
Here?
2 pairs.
So this two. Correct? So from this two, can you tell me the equation now?
B bar,
B
C
bar,
bar
C bar
plus
plus
B
BC.
bar.
BC.
Yes.
B
B
bar.
bar.
BC.
Because A we got. So B bar, C
B
bar,
bar
C
plus
bar plus
BC.
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 Then can I further simplify?
Yes, sir.
Can I simplify further?
No, sir.
Yes.
Equals to 1.
Equals to 1 now.
No.
Is it right? Is
No,
equals
sir.
to 1. Is it so?
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, that is A plus A bar. So you should have only, for example, if you have like this, B bar plus B, this equals to 1. If it is C bar plus C, this equals to 1. You can't write B bar, C bar plus BC as equals to 1. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, for the same question, so before that, any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
So shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now listen, for the same question, the question what wrote for that, so just add the word also plot its logic diagram. I will just add in this same problem only now, also draw or also plot its logic diagram. I hope everyone know what is the meaning of logic diagram.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, good. So now, so you need to plot the logic diagram for the final reduction answer. See, this is what the reduction answer what you got, which was like this earlier. We are simplified using K-map and we got this much, right? So now for this, if they ask you to plot a logic diagram, how it looks. So now tell me how many gates you want. So for B bar C plus BC, how many equations
3.
you want?
3
How many
gates.
logic gates you want?
3, sir.
Pardon?
3.
You want
5,
3?
sir.
Just think and
5.
tell. See, whenever
5,
there
sir.
is bar, it means it's a NOT gate. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
5, 5.
Everyone agree?
5, sir.
Okay. Listen now, I will teach you how to write this. So you need to writing logic diagram. So is it visible? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we made? We made 3 variables to 2 variables now. So inputs are B and C. So understand carefully. So one input is B, one input is C. Okay. So what are the things you want? Just listen carefully. B is there, C is there. So you have complement for both. You want B bar also, you want C bar also. So complement means which gate I told?
Not gate.
NOT gate. So it means I need to place one NOT gate here. So I hope everyone remember the symbol for not gate, AND gate. I told you at the beginning of the class. So this is a symbol for not gate, nothing but inverter. This is a symbol for this. So once the input B, after passing your not gate, it becomes B bar. Similarly, C bar.
C.
Agree? Is it fine?
Yes.
So what I
Yes,
made?
sir.
I made this alignment. Okay, next. So you want B bar into C bar. So what is the meaning of B bar into C bar? Which gate?
AND gate.
AND gate. Very good.
AND
So what
gate.
we should do? Whatever the output you got from each NOT gate, combine together and connect to AND gate. Is it fine? Is it fine,
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
So this is your B bar C bar. After connecting, so you got this. Then what? BC already there. In between this B bar C bar and BC, what is there? Plus is there. Plus means
OR gate.
OR gate. Correct, na? So B bar C bar. Let me pull down. Then BC is where? I want to have one more BC with AND gate. Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So you connect from this end. So connect B and C and try to connect these two to one more AND gate, and this is your BC, right? So then join these two and
OR
it says it's added. So I should give an OR gate. So this is your final answer. Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
So you got the logic. See, this is what you are going to learn in this digital subject. So logic, do you remember? Problem statement will be given. So this is your problem statement, the truth table. The truth table was the problem statement. Then what we did? From that we wrote a expression. That was not called simplified. We wrote a expression. Then from that we need to reduce the number of gates. See, if you write for this equation, such kind of logic diagram, how many gates you require? It is more, right? So more means area consumption will be more. So we need to overcome that. For that purpose, using the concept of K-map, we have reduced it to a simplified expression. So after simplified expression, plot the logic diagram, and this you can send it for the manufacturing. That is what you're going to learn in this subject. Now I hope everyone got the application of digital system design.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So any doubts with this? See, likewise, whichever question they ask you to just plot the logic gates, just plot the things. Just make sure the connections are correct and gates are joined properly. So just make a note of this logic diagram. We will go for next type of problem. So by the time, if you have any doubts, anyone, you can ask me. Just make a note of that logic diagram. So your full board is visible, right?
Visible,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, just finish up this. We'll do one last problem in this and we'll go with the next don't care condition. So am I making you to understand the things clearly? Am I fast? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay,
Clear.
fine. Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Shall we go for next last problem on this SOP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read on. Simplify the following function. Shall I erase this? Everyone done with this diagram? Shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Simplify the following function. Simplify the following function in SOP form. In SOP form. Using K-map. Using K-map. Okay. So the question is function A, B, C, D. So they are given 4 variables now again. Function A, B, C, D. And they have told you the expression A bar, B bar C, A bar, B bar C plus A into D plus. So is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plus B, D bar plus C, D bar plus A, C bar plus A, C bar. The question is simplify the following in SOP form using K-map. Using K-map and also write its corresponding logic diagram and also write its corresponding logic diagram.
Sir,
So
excuse
task
me, sir.
is, pardon?
Sir, for solving in K-maps, only SOP equations are given, sir. Yeah, means POS equations are there or not, sir?
Is there, it's there. I am just doing a topic based on SOP now. So after this completion of SOP, we will go for POS also. Same way,
Okay,
instead of ones, zeros alignment. That's all. Okay, both are there. Yeah, let me see. Solve this using K-map. Let me see how many will solve this. Understand the question carefully and solve. So it's a 8 marks question. They've asked you to get a logic diagram also. So before getting logic diagram, first show me how to get this in a K-map. Right? After writing, anyone can share your screen and you can show how it looks also. So you have A bar, B, C, but the variables are 4. So what is given in the question?
Missing literal, sir.
Pardon?
Should we look for missing literal, sir?
No, I am not hearing you. Will you repeat once more?
Should we see for missing literals?
Yes. See, whatever given in the question, that itself is already simplified. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So whatever given there again, it's already simplified. You can make a note. See A, B, C, D. There is only A bar, B bar, C. Then AD is there. So now how you can plot this in a table of K-map is the question. So you need to do like something called reverse engineering now. So let me see how many will tell the answer for this.
Sir, canonical.
Canonical? No, the question
Yes,
says
sir.
clearly using K-map. You are not supposed to find the missing terms, apply canonical logic here. That is, problem is different. Only you need to solve this using K-map. Think. So it's like reverse engineering now. See, they used to give question, you used to write table now. Now, what they're given the final answer. Go reverse way. Final answer from that table, how to get the final answer from that question. Artha aita? You try once, let me see. So whatever given, it is already simplified. So now I want how to represent this in a K-map. Just think, plot once. See, if you make mistakes also not an issue. You write, implement it and try to, and let me see, implementation in the K-map. That's all. And now you are going to tell me how to. So you got the logic now. This problem is not so easy like what you got earlier. Okay. Yeah, is it clear? Am I audible? Yeah, can anyone tell me? Just think here. What are the possible things we can do? I need to play only with my K-map. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
just all the things. Yeah. So who is going to tell the answers now? So cell number, if you want for your reference, you can fill, not an issue. So here cell
Sir, for
is not a column.
2131, sir.
Pardon?
For cell number 213, 1 1.
Okay, let me write cell number, then you tell just a minute so that others can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so this is your cell numbers. Yeah, Elappa, tell me.
Cell number 213.
Cell number
213.
213, I should make one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's plot. Then you are nice, don't worry. Let's plot. So what your friend told, is it matching? See what you should do, you just check out this and compare that with this. That is what you should do. For example, what your friend told, this 1 and 1. On what basis he told 1 and 1? Compare here. See what is there here? A bar, B bar. So I have created with A bar, B bar here. Right. So in this, A bar, B bar belongs. So I got this. Then I want C term only. Then what I should do? I need to make both as 1 1 such a way that I can pick the common term. Agree? So earlier what you used to do? You used to write like this, then from that you used to get this A bar, B bar, C. But now it's reverse process. So from this, is it equal to A bar, B bar, C? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇವಾಗ? Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
now can you tell me for AD? You just make sure I want only answer as AD. For that, what I should do in the K-map? So where is A is such? So A possibilities are in this two, right? So you want A possibilities in this two. Then
What,
you
sir?
want only D. You want
What?
only D. Now tell me what can be done. Yeah.
Sir. Quad.
Repeat. Quad. Very good. So quad from here to here or from here to
Well,
here? Where I
that-
should quad?
Sir, 13,
Cell numbers.
15,
Cell
13,
number?
15, 9, 11.
9, 11.
13.
13, 15, 9.
15, 9,
9,
11.
11.
Okay, let me
9,
what it is.
7.
13, 15, 9.
9 and
9,
11.
11.
7.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
So if we do that, let's see. See, nothing wrong in that writing. See, you write in a pencil, later you can embed in the pen, not an issue. So what your friend told, if I make this as a quad, just check out. So from this two I will get A. Good. So from this two I will get D.
D.
That's what I want, right? Yeah, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, proceed. Next B D bar. B
4,
D bar.
12.
So just check out
14.
B possibilities are in this two. B possibilities are in this two. Then D bar. D bar possibilities here.
4, 12, 6,
4,
14.
12, 6, 14.
4,
Pardon?
12, 6, 14.
12, 4.
12, 12,
6,
6, 14.
4, 12,
12, 6,
6,
14.
14.
14. Very good. So if you do like this, how will you get that answer? By quad in this fashion? Is it not? So from these two, what is the common term?
C.
B. So from these two, what is the common term?
D bar.
I want D bar, right?
Yes, sir.
I want D bar. You will get B from this, correct? What about D bar?
Yes, sir.
Just one set, just one set. Yeah, is it audible now? Audible?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, if you do like this, you will get B. What about my D bar?
D bar also.
0 and 2. 0 and 2.
From
That
quad.
0 and
2 already.
okay. If you put like this, then from this you will get
Yes, sir.
everyone. A concept बताते आप ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈಗ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly finish off that next two. Next, C D bar. So tell me final answer. Where all I should replace one again? I want only C D bar. Yeah.
2, 6, 14, 10. Sir, 10.
Repeat. What told?
10, sir.
10.
2, 6.
Put 10 as 1. Good. So after putting 10, then what happens?
Quad, sir. 2,
So you'll
6,
get a
14,
quad.
10.
If this is a quad, what it is? Is it a quad?
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it equivalent to what? C D bar. ये अर्थ ಆಗ್ತೀನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
Last one, A C bar. From where you can get A C bar? A is this. C bar is
2,
this.
13,
Pardon? Repeat here.
2, 13, 8, 9.
2,
13, 8, 9.
13, 8, 9. So you want to make this as 1 now? So you want
Yes.
me to make this as 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if we make that, check out. So what I should do now? Is it pairing or quad? I want A, C bar. Tell yaar. So you want A, you can get A from here, done. What about C bar? From where you will get C bar?
13, 9.
Pardon, repeat.
13, 9.
13 and 9. So from this,
Yes, sir.
12, 8, 13, 9.
so this you're talking.
Yes, sir.
So from this you will get C bar.
No, sir. Quad.
Just think. You will get C bar.
12, 8, 13, 9.
12, 8,
If you do like
13,
this
9.
equation is A C bar D agata. I want only C bar.
Sir, take quad.
Quad.
Quad of what? Tell me cell number.
12,
12,
13, 8,
13,
9.
8, 9.
12, 13, 8, 9. Everyone agree with this?
9.
This
Yes, sir.
category.
Yes, sir.
12, 13, 8, 9. Is it an answer for your A C bar? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
as quad, this category, 12, 13, 8, 9, this to come 8. So you get A common, C bar, C bar. So it become A, C bar. Got the logic now, everyone? Everyone, have you got the logic?
Yes, sir.
So how many are doubt with this? See, if you know the K-map concept clearly, then if you give such kind of question, you can incorporate. See, without applying a canonical equation, we proved that this is a K-map. See, nothing to solve. Already answer is given for you. It's like reverse. From the answer, get the question back in a K-map fashion. Is that fine to everyone? Is that fine? What we wrote here? Any doubts? Anyone till here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is not the end of a problem. See, what is the question? They ask you to simplify. What we have done? The question I have pasted in the K-map. That is not called simplification. Still, simplification is left out. Now tell me how to make a simplification. So this category you got, so that I can relate the diagram. Everyone got this now? So now
Sir, one octane we can make.
Pardon?
Octane we can make, no sir, one octane.
No, that octal concept comes when we deal with simplification. So that is what I told. That is the last part left out in this problem. That is why I told problem is not yet completed. So before that, what we did, whatever the given equation, we have analyzed in this K-map. That is not simplification. That is called analysis. Now we need to simplify. So this till here, any doubts, anyone? Till here, any doubts, anyone?
Okay, sir.
Sir, for 0 itself, why should we put 1, sir?
Pardon?
For 0 itself.
For zeroth cell. No, it is not there. I didn't told. It's not there. No, we are doing analysis night. I was just asked you. You only told that answer. We will make a new.
For
Pardon?
D bar, it's 0, we should fill now, sir.
Where?
0th and second cell we took now, sir.
No,
for
to
D
get
bar.
what? To get what?
D bar.
To get D bar.
Yes, sir.
See, to get D bar, you can combine
0 and
this. I told right here. See here. This cell 4 and 12 and cell 6 and 14. From this to common is B, and from this to common is D bar. Solved, right? This is what I want, no?
yes, sir.
Artha idappa?
Yes, sir.
So this is a quad. From this quad, I am going to get B D bar, right? So alignment part, artha aita. Still, we are not simplified. So let me rewrite the things. You just tell me one of the ones. From that, I will tell you how to simplify. So I need to reduce this expression further. That is what the question. So very important for 10 to 12 marks. So be alert. So we have solved all different types of problems. If we end with this, that will be end of your SOP type. Okay. So let me rewrite once more. So you tell me where I should fill once now. So I hope everyone got analysis part, how to analyze the equation. So this is A, B, C, D. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I will just fill with this. Yeah, one more. 1. Okay. Now tell me which cells I should fill. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is a given scenario. Now after analyzing this, now you can tell me where are the ones?
2, 3.
2,
So we'll go in order. First row, 0 is up.
2, 3. No, sir.
0 is
No.
not
Yes.
there. So it's having 2 and 3. Agree? Okay, next.
4 and 6.
4, 6,
4, 6. Amala.
12,
12,
13,
15, 14.
15,
Here also. Is it like this now?
8, 9,
Yes, sir.
11, 10.
So what I wrote, is it correct?
Sir, doubt,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Doubt, sir.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳು ಕೇಳು
ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 14 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
Not 6 plus 4, yeah, it's quad. 6, 4 and 1, 1 combination. This is quad, right?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ? If you
ಆಯ್ತು
fold this will tell you common term is D bar and this will tell you common B is B. That's why I wrote B D bar. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay. So now this is what the final answer you got, everyone. Just listen now. So from this I need to simplify. So can you tell me what all possibilities are there? Can I get octa here?
Yes, sir.
So I can take this complete term as an octa. So from this octa, can you tell me what is the expression? What is the expression from octa?
Yes.
Only A? Agree?
Yes, sir.
So because this all goes off, there is no common term, everything get cancelled, means goes off to 1. So only these two. So from these two, what is common term? A. So I got one answer. What is the next possibility?
One quad.
Again quad will come. Where is the quad? Is this the quad?
Yes, sir.
Agree everyone? What is the expression for that? Is it C D bar?
C bar.
CD bar. CD bar.
Hey, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೀನ್ರೋ?
Ah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ next.
One pair.
Second pair. This two
3, 2.
and this two.
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Or can I take this completely as 4? Which one you will prefer?
2 pairs, sir.
So whether you want to take separately pairing like this or completely like this, which one you want?
Quad.
Possibilities are there or not?
Yes.
So whatever
Yes, sir.
thing you should be specific. See, if you take pair and pair, you will get 2 separate things, 2 separate equations. Instead of that,
Excuse me,
I
sir.
can take quad from this.
Sir,
Yeah,
someone is removing from the meeting, sir.
someone is removed.
Removing
You,
me from. Yes, sir. 2 times I did, sir.
What's the number?
Don't know, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, mine is 140, sir. Someone is removing me from the meeting, sir. I don't know.
ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? See, you are all engineers here, professionalists. Don't be like a small kids here. Okay? You're learning something here means you should have some concentration. If you're not interested, walk out. Don't make others trouble you. So it's a warning. Yeah. You're joined back here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if I see again such kind of things, then you will take the DST class for me. Okay, I will sit there and you should teach for me. Yeah. So will you go with quad now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So after quad, what is the expression here?
BD bar.
D bar.
From this I can get B, and from this I can
D
get
bar.
B. Then what is left out? Only these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this now?
A bar, B bar, C.
A bar, B bar.
C.
C.
What?
C, sir.
No, sir.
C, sir.
So is it what a question now? Look at the question. So at least we reduced from 5 to 4 now.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
Yes,
So the
sir.
question was that much. Now we got the answer as final answer. If you just write a final answer now. So final answer says A plus
CD bar.
CD bar plus
Plus
BD
BD
bar
bar.
plus A bar
Plus
B
A
bar.
bar, B bar,
Just compare. This is what answer. Anywhere can we reduce further?
No, sir.
Yeah, just this
Quad is
this can be reduced, right? Just think.
Sir,
This
3,
can take
2,
its possibility.
12, 10.
One more quad, sir.
See, first then quad. If both are not possible, pairing 2 at a time. If not, you can take quad. Remember what I said? So this possibility is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it there? Yeah, from this, can we reduce again this to what?
B bar C.
So from this to, so common term is B,
B bar.
and from here,
Sir, common term is B bar C.
B bar.
so from this to common term is B bar, agree? Then
C.
here,
C.
repeat,
C, sir.
C, is it C? This is CD and this is CD bar. So C is common. So you got B bar C. Okay, now listen. So what we wrote here, so we got extra thing B bar C. Now check out any possibilities is there to further reduction.
Sir, CD bar we can remove, sir.
CD bar, you can remove. How?
Sir, we have used all the ones, sir. You can remove that quad. CD bar.
Repeat. You used
All ones, sir. 1.
all ones. Yeah.
Yes.
This
CD bar we cannot.
this category, the second one. So this can be eliminated, right?
Yes, sir.
That is not required, no.
Yes.
Since it is covering here and here, there is no picture of this category. So let me write here. So the last thing what we wrote 1 1 1 1. So what your friend is telling, this is not required. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? So it means, so C bar goes up. So what is the final expression? So final expression is A plus B D bar plus B bar C. So this is called as a simplified expression now.
Sir.
Everyone agree with this? See, I will tell clearly, whenever possibilities of octa is not there, go with quad. Check out all the possibilities of quad. If it is there, do with that. If it is also not there, then only prefer for your pairing. 2 at a time. Okay. So now we got this 1 octa, this complete 1 octa, and this 4 as 1. So it means it has covered till here. So only left is this. So you can cover this and this. So here only we got the answer, right? Reduction of K-map takes place. So for this, you need to plot a logic diagram. Artha aita pallargo?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts anyone with till this today's class? So we have completed the K-map concept of the SOP. Am I clear? Any doubts anyone? If you have, you can unmute yourself, you can talk. So is it fine what we discussed?
Yes, sir.
So you can easily score 10 marks here. So try to have, see, you can build questions like this, you can solve. First, understand the concept, then take whichever textbook you want, you keep solving the things. So shall we wind then? So then if there is no doubts, you just fill the attendance. So parallel will take here also. So 101 is there. 101 not there. 102
present, sir.
Yeah, you just enter USN and go. 3 4 yeah, I think 5 and 6 6 7
Sir, 6
Present,
is,
sir.
6 is present, sir.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
106 is present, sir.
Yeah, given Rita, given.
105 present, sir.
Yeah, given Rashmi, given. 108,
Present, sir.
109, 10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, Sannidhi,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16, 16 is there, Shashidhar. 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, Sneha, 22,
Present, sir.
23, Srihari,
23. Present, sir.
okay, 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
Supriya na?
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
Last two class ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನೀನು?
Sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ network problem ಇತ್ತು.
Okay, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, sir.
128,
Present, sir.
29, Sushmita,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
yeah, given. 30,
Present, sir.
31, 131, Tilak is not there. 32, 33,
Present, sir.
Vaibhav, you are not there. Okay, 34,
Sir.
134 is there.
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. ನಿಂದು ಐಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವೇನೋ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. 35,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37, 39,
Present, sir.
40,
43.
Present, sir.
41, 41 is not there. 42, 43,
Present, sir.
then telecom 19 series 1,
Present, sir.
2, 3,
Present,
4,
sir.
and
Present,
5.
sir.
What about Rutvik? Rutvik is not there, telecom. Okay. So everyone enter the USA number in the chat box, right? Yeah. So see you Saturday. Bye.